Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome to my channel. I am Vishwanath Nath, the CEO of Desun Technology Private Limited. And today I am going to show you something really cool. Have you ever wanted to build a text to speech web application? Well, you are in for a treat. In this video, I'll walk you through the process of generating the code with AI step by step, creating a simple yet functional app with minimal effort. No fancy UI, no complex framework, just the power of AI and a little coding magic. So, grab your keyboard, subscribe to the channel, and let's get started on this exciting journey of building with AI. Let's go. Welcome back, guys. Let's get started, and I'll just show you how easily and quickly you can build an text-to-speech application using ChatGPT. So, yeah, I mentioned about AI, but here I'll be using ChatGPT to generate the code base. So, let's go and open ChatGPT first. So, I am using ChatGPT from desktop. You can also go and open chat.openai.com and generate the code from here also. Okay. So what I want to do here is I have already written a prompt. Let me just paste it here. So it's a basic prompt, not too advanced, but yeah, it will make some difference. So act as a Python. I just mentioned the role here. What is the role of ChatGPT? Then I am assigning the primary responsibility. Then I am telling him that it's you should always ask user for any doubt before generating any code. Okay. Remember, always whatever code ChatGPT is generating, it might be wrong. So you need to validate it also. So let's get started. Now let's tell him to generate a text to speech web application. Also provide step by step instructions to install and set up. Let's see it generating. Okay, so it started generating. So it first give me the project setup structure. It's still generating. Now it told me that okay, so this is the structure. This is my main directory. Inside that I have app.py. Then I have template folder. Inside that I have index.html. Then static. It has styles.css. Then I have output and a requirement.txt file. Now in the step-by-step installation, it's telling me to that see that if Python is already installed or not, and what is my pip version. Then it's telling to create a virtual environment. Okay, and after that it got stuck. Okay, let's wait for a couple of seconds. So by the time it's trying, let's do one thing. Let's check our Python version and pip version. So I can just go into terminal and paste this. So you can see I have 3.11.7 installed and my pip version is 23.3.1. So what is pip? Pip basically just like npm or yarn, it's a version manager. So pip is used to install different version also. Now, okay, so it throw the request timer. Let's retry. It again given me folder structure. Okay. Now, okay, it's telling me to install virtual environment. It's not optional, but it's recommended. Then create the project environment. Then, okay, so it started generating the code base. Now it started generating the front end code. Okay, it's generating the front end code. It's generating the static. Okay, it's generating the CSS file. Okay, great. So if I just look into the structure, okay, static has file.css, output and requirement.txt. Okay, so I just want to tell him that I don't have this particular VNB, so I want him to replace it with Anaconda. So replace VNB with Anaconda. Okay, so let's do it. Let's first create the folder. Now, okay, so cd into text to speech app. Now from here, let's do one thing. It's not required to that I need to give. I am inside the text to speech app. Okay, let's create it here. So it's creating the environment. Then I need to activate the environment. So let's activate it. So the environment is activated. Then install this both packages. Okay, so both of them is getting installed. Now what I need to do? I need to, okay. So I need to set up the project structure. So let's set up the structure, open it in VS Code. Now if I check it, it has app.py, the file name. So first app.py, then I have templates directory, templates. Inside the templates, I have index.html. Okay, it looks odd. I guess there is a space after py. Yeah. So inside templates, I need to create index.html. Then in static folder, I need to create style.css. So in static folder, I am creating style.css. Then output is another directory, and I have a requirement.txt. I don't know why I need it because I already installed. Okay, so let's do the, okay, it told me to paste it here, but we already installed whatever the required. So you can also do it like this way, pip install our requirement.txt. So we are in here, so pip install requirement.txt. So it's saying that already successfully installed both of them. Now what I can do, go into app.py. Let's go into app.py and paste this particular code. Now let's copy the index.html and paste this. Now go into CSS and paste it. So I have all the code and necessary environments. Now what I can do, I can just run this particular application. So let's run it. So my application is running on 5000. Let's open a browser, go here, hit enter. Okay, so our application is ready. Let's test it. Hi, this is testing, convert to speech. So it's saying to test. Let's save it. Let's open the file and try it out.
Hi, this is testing.
Okay, so you can see how quickly we built that application and it's already completed. Let's modify it. Okay, so application is working great. I want to add couple of more enhancements. One, add Ajax so that no need to reload page. Give option to play audio in browser. Make the UI more attractive. Let's see what it does. So it updated the folder structure and added this a new file called script.js. Let's wait for it to finish. So it's telling to update the backend. Then index.html. Then it's generating now script.js file. Good, 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 good. Okay. Let's see. Okay, it's updating the CSS also. Great. Okay. See how easy it is. So you cannot take it as a production application, but as a boilerplate. You can take this boilerplate, then start working on it. Okay. So a lot of time will be saved and your production will be increased. Right. So let's do one thing. Let's first update the app.py. Let's go ahead and update app.py. Then we need to update index.html. Let's update index.html. Then create a script.js file inside static folder. Inside static folder, let's create script.js. Copy, paste. Then CSS style.css. Update it. Great. Now just go ahead and python app.py. Let's go and check the browser. Reload it. Okay, it looks good. Better than before. So let's try it out. I will build it using AI slash chat GPT. Let's see what happens. Okay, we have a player here, but it does not play the audio, right? So let's try again. Okay, I can see the audio player, but it is not playing audio. Let's see. Let's see if the file is generated here or not. It has only a single file.
Hi, we built it using AI, ChatGPT.
Okay, we have the file here. So the issue is it's not coming here. Okay, the source is empty. Let's see if it able to figure it out. So check the ensure the not here are a few possible ways. Okay, updated app cleared browser cache. MIME type updated Azure script. Okay, let me just tell it. I can see the output file in output folder. Then the solution is get the make file from the output folder accessible to the browser. Use plug send from directory method. Here's how update your code. Send from directory. Okay. Okay, let's check it out. Okay. Okay. So let's update the Python file and update the script.js. Let's try it again. This is a testing app built with chat GPT. Can write
This is a
it.
testing app built with ChatGPT.
Okay,
This is a testing app built with ChatGPT.
great. So you can download it. Also, you can,
This is a testing app built with ChatGPT.
and that's all. That's how using ChatGPT we built a text-to-speech application so quickly, and the UI also looks great. So from this point, you can prompt it and make it more advanced, or you can start manually working on it. You can add different functionalities like changing the voice from female to male, from English to Hindi, Spanish, German, or any different language. You can try it out and work on it, right? So that's all for this tutorial. If you like this tutorial, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share it with your friends and in your circle. Uh, Thanks for watching this video. Oh, I forgot to tell you about something. Okay, I have something for you guys. So you can check out the description. In the description, I have a link where you can go and check it out. I have something good for you. You guys will be happy to see it, and it's something good. You can just go ahead and check it out. Okay, so bye for now. I'll see you in the next video.